2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, power passenger seat, tow hitch, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, auto dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.